Welcome on Tech. Today we will learn the new command which is called as circle. So we have switched to 3D mode. After that we should select plane. These all things are on my previous videos, you can refer them. So I have selected XY plane. I recommend this to you because in top view we can have a better image and for further operations. Okay, so circle command includes more oftenly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 commands. Okay, and we will discuss all of them one by one. So first is pure circle. So you can just have M1, drag it up to where you want and just press again M1. So that's your circle. After that we have to give dimensions, so we will learn it later. Next command is 3-point circle. So that is also very easy to draw. Select one point, select second corner and just have that circle within those points. Okay, so that's all about 3-point circle. I'm just doing undo here so that I can teach you more faster. After that, this is somewhat given you a dimension panel in which you have to put dimension so that it can have its center point, and here you have to put your radius. Okay, so for example I'm giving you 50 mm to horizontal and 50 mm towards vertical, so it will be reflected over here. Okay, just like this. It's in first quadrant. If you want to switch it to some another quadrants, you will have to just next, we'll tell you in next one, just do it here minus. Okay, we will have this in another quadrant. So this will work like a quadrant. This will be a positive horizontal axis, negative and vertical, and same as like the horizontal. Okay, that's about the coordinated circle. After that tritangent circle. For the tritangent circle you need 3 corners. Okay, so that the software can have tangent with those 3 sides. Take all of the 3 sides. Okay, I have drawn here some lines. In project you will have 3 corners available for you. Okay, and with those 3 corners you can directly select them, just like at that I have selected the command. Okay, select 1, 2 and 3, just like that your triangle has been drawn. After that you will see here some constraints. So these constraints are for the tangent command only. Okay, I can have a more better idea. You can have more better idea when you will work on the actual project, and I always recommend you to practice this after I teach you. Next one is 3-point arc. Now we have completed with the circle. Now these 3 commands are for arcs. Okay, in some projects you need some arc, not a full circle, but you need a arc over there in most of the things. Okay, just draw like this. So how I drawn it, I have selected M1, okay, M2, and that's it. Those points will be your corner points and you can drag it or wherever you want. Okay, that one point will be fixed and one point will be movable. That moving one, that point you can have that anywhere. Okay, that's it. After that the next command is again